Hi, you are moving out and you have a lot of clothes to sell. You can do that online. However, you know that writing the description for each item is very time consuming. In this video, I will show you a small software in Python that will do that for you, leveraging the power of large language model. Then let's dive in the code. Here is what are we going to obtain with this software. Here is a table with folder name and close description, saved into a CSV file that you can conveniently open, for example, with Excel. The description is generated by AI. Okay? You enter your pictures here in the folder data. You create a subfolder for each item with your pictures, and the AI will simply generate a description for you. Let's see how this works. You have to clone the code. So you copy here, you clone it in the desired folder. Here I already have opened my folder for this, and I use git clone. Of course, you need to have git installed. That's it. And here are your files. You can open these in VS Code from command line. There we go. We can simply run this, but let's explain a bit how it works. Here you have a package. It contains just one script, but I could add more, so I prefer always to package it. Use init file and call the modules. Clothing describer has all the libraries that you need. Very important, the OpenAI. That's the LLM that we are using in this case. We get the environment kit from environment file, from the M file. So, encode image, we get the image files, and here you will need your key that will connect to the service, because you are giving a prompt. The prompt here is in Italian. I have to sell it in Italy, so I made it in Italian, but you feel free to change it. And it calls the service. Then, for the images, it appends the resulting text. Okay? And here you use a wrapper. You call it. It finds all the items. It builds the description for each item. Important, if it finds the description.txt file in the folder, it doesn't do that. Why? Well, easy. OpenAI costs money and time. If we have already done it, we don't do it. But if we add a new folder, it should. We'll see it in a few minutes. Then we build a data frame and we create the CSV. How to run it? Simply run main.py. Before running, as I said, we have to create env file. Once you created the env file and you added your key that you just got from OpenAI, it's time to run main.py. You can do it even from here, from VS Code. Just matter of opening a terminal. In this case, it will not call the LLM, which is good, because it found decription.txt in both folders. And then let's add one other folder with images inside. There we go. That's a t-shirt. And we simply run it again. It found the images, the pictures that I took, and it generates the description. The description is going to be added here, clothing.inventory CSV. Simple as that. You add your folders with your pictures and this file gets updated. Then you will copy paste, you will use it to sell it on Vinted, for example. And if you find this useful, don't forget to subscribe. To the next.